Hello, everybody. Hello, and welcome to Animation Capstone for the final announcement of the week. That's correct. My name's Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you for the last and final time. So, really excited. Y'all have done very fantastic. Great work overall. Just wanted to give you some reminders. Today is the last day of assignments, so please make sure that you have everything completed and everything's going along. So please make sure about that. Other than that, a couple other things I did notice. There were some students that did not do the presentation, so please do the presentation on the discussion forum. Please turn in your shot list today as well. So this is the last day of class, so please make sure to do that. If you do not do that, your assignment is. I'll forego the discussion for, applying a reply for your presentation as long as you post the presentation. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Just keep in mind, it was a pleasure to have y'all. Y'all did great. Please turn in any remaining work that you're missing. If you have any questions, please contact me. I'm not going to be turning in grades until Sunday night, so please make sure to get a hold of me as soon as possible if you need anything or extensions or something, and give me a holler later. All right? Well, thank you for being awesome. If you need me, you have my email, my number, anything, any questions, comments, concerns, just let me know. But it was a pleasure, and thank you for putting up with all my feedback, and have a great time, and good luck out there. I know those demo reels are still kind of new, but at least to get you started on the process of what to think about, for your future demo reels and how to go about it, and that's really crucial. So, all right, my friends, have a great time. Be safe. Good luck out there in the industry, and if you need anything, just let me know. Have a good one.